Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Chapter 7. The noun number. Case. Every noun in a sentence must have a relationship with some other words. This relationship is called its case. There are 5 cases in English: the nominative case, the objective case, the vocative case, the possessive case, and the dative case. First, we start with the nominative case. When a noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is nominative case. For example, the dog barked loudly. In this sentence, barked is verb and the subject of the verb is dog. So, dog is nominative case. Next sentence, Harry threw a stone. Verb is threw and subject of verb is Harry. So, Harry is nominative case. Next, the objective case. When a noun is used as the object of a verb or governed by a preposition, it is called objective case. For example, my father bought a bike. In this sentence, bought is verb and object of bought is bike. So, bike is objective case. Next example, Harry sat on the bike. In this sentence, verb is sat and after that we have a preposition on. So, the object bike is governed by a preposition on. Bike is objective case. The vocative case. A noun used to name a person or thing addressed is called vocative case. For example, Mary, stand up. Here, who is addressed? Mary. So, Mary is vocative case. Next example, oh clouds, fly away from here. In this sentence, cloud is addressed, so cloud is vocative case. Next, the possessive case. When a noun is used to show ownership or possession. For example, Gopi's hat was lost. So, whose hat shows the possession? Gopi's. So, Gopi's is possessive case. Next example, they switched off Ramu's radio. So, whose radio? Ramu's. So, Ramu's, it is possessive case. Next is dative case. When a noun is used as indirect object of a verb, it is said to be dative case. Now see the example. Bobby gave Jim a book. In this sentence, we have two objects, Jim and book. Now the object which will answer to what, that will be direct, and to whom it will be indirect. So, Bobby gave Jim what? A book. A book is direct object. Whom he gave? To Jim. So, Jim is indirect object. So, indirect object Jim, that is dative case. Next example, my father bought Reena a dress. Same way, now frame the question with what? My father bought what for Reema? A dress. So, a dress is direct object and for whom? Reena, it is indirect object. So, Reena is dative case.